Hello everyone and welcome to Jacklit Educational Channel. So this is time to reveal the results of the mock test which was conducted through this channel for the NET Environmental Science examination. So around 50 students have been able to submit their test and there was a very good competition among all the contestants. So before announcing the results, I must tell you about the important playlist in our channel which is considering unit-wise crash course series of NET Environmental Science and important numericals and statistics questions along with previous year's important MCQs. So you can get many more. The link is in the description below. Now it's time to reveal the name of the top performer, and the top performer is Chanchal Kumari. Yes, congratulations to Chanchal Kumari for securing 186 marks and being our top performer. The second participant who was given as the first runner-up is Akshay with 168 marks. Along with Akshay, Avneet have also scored 168 marks. The second runner-ups goes to Oli Bora and Riya Agarwal with 166 marks. So now let's see the scorecard of our top performers. I am reading out the names: Diksha Pandey, Falguni Mohanty, Rituja Chauhan, Yamini Pandey, Preeti Ravi Goswami, Ayushi Khadija Samreen, Bharti Tejaswini Singh, Neelam Goswami Brijesh Kumar, Diksha Dhiman Aditi, Meenu Shikha Kundu, Aditya Jain Neha, Anamika Sapna Jha and Sweta Upadhyay. So congratulations to all the participants for securing good marks and making this competition a successful one. So I hope you have done well, and don't get disheartened if you haven't scored and your name is not announced, because the main exam is yet to come. So follow our channel for further updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed till now. All the best to everyone.